Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart we have started indeed that pullback. A few days ago we were watching for the price to break higher, rally to 78 cents, 80 cents, that area, and then ideally form some kind of a top. Well, it looks as if this is only the pullback in this internal fourth wave. I mean, that is very fragile, of course, you know. I can tell you that we've already reached now a major resistance zone, given that this is not only a key Fibonacci level at 78 cents, but it's also the March high here, which formed around 78 to 83 cents. So I can tell you that it's going to be difficult. And if we form another high, I would primarily see this only as wave 5 or 5 at the moment, which might reach 94 cents. It depends a little bit on how deep does that wave 4 go. All I can tell you at the moment, the pullback looks already healthy for a wave 4 of this wave degree. It might stretch a bit lower, or even form some kind of a triangle, but it could already be complete, right? I mean, it's a 3-wave pullback. We're holding above support. We don't need to touch support, even though it would be ideal. But honestly, we've already come down to 68.8 cents. And 68.1 is the 38.2 retracement. So I would say we already, we pretty much touched it. Depends on the exchange as well. And I even haven't adjusted to the top. Okay, for whatever reason, don't know. So that's support, 66.5 cents actually. Let me just double check that. Maybe it shifted. No, it's correct, 66.5 cents. So that last spike wasn't accounted for. So yeah, I mean, we pretty much touched it, right? Just watching now for a reaction to the upside. If we break below 66.5 cents, and it's not that if it breaks below 66.2, that is invalidation or something. It's a sustained break. We want to avoid a sustained break below that level. So due to some volatility, it can always be that, we get a brief break or something. And also bear in mind that this move up could be a diagonal. I mean, if it's a diagonal, we might even consider the 61.8 retracements. It has to do with the situation that this rally initially is a 3-wave move, right? The third doesn't really look like a 3-wave move, but honestly, there isn't really any microstructure to work with. So maybe we should add the 61.8, but then I have to say, if this goes that deep, I mean, it looks a bit weird for a 4th wave, but it's still valid. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's say ideally we don't even get to 63.3 cents, but if it does, it would still be considered a wave 4. Anything below that is not this wave degree anymore. So I would prefer not even to break below 66.5 cents, and it's already a healthy wave 4, might stretch a little lower. Next upside target's 94 cents, because this is based on this swing low of this wave 4 on the 13th of November. At the moment, we're clearly caught in correction mode. A wave 4 can unfold, for example, as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and then we go higher. A wave 4 can unfold as a simple ABC structure, A, B, C, which might be complete, might get another low. That's where the microstructure is just not so important. In a 4th wave, generally, the levels are so important, much more important than the microstructure, which is why I wanted to have it right, okay? Give you the correct levels here in this video. And it can also unfold as a larger ABC, A, B, C, and then we finish. So lots of options. That's why I said, or WXY, we have an explanation for all these patterns on our Discord server. But that's why I say, there are many options for anybody who's thinking, okay, what is it? What is it? I'm not telling you what it is. I don't know yet. We only have a 3-wave move down into support now. But because there are so many options in a 4th wave, tactically, strategically, it makes sense to focus more on the levels, because you don't know. It would be a guess which one it is. Normally it's an ABC, but on this wave degree, it doesn't matter so much. It's a very small wave degree. It would matter more like here, here we were actually labeling the micro. Here it doesn't make any sense. It's just, just a few candles make this correction. So it only, it could already be done, but I would want to see a break, obviously. I mean, there isn't even a real swing high internally to work with. Maybe this swing high here, but yeah. For now, it's important that we're holding 63.3 cents, ideally even 66.5. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.